When it comes to travelling, many airlines are cracking down on carry-on weight. So to make sure yours is underweight and still carry all those essentials, you need to get all the tips and tricks from an expert traveller. Elva, where do we start with carry-on luggage?
Well, we start first of all by packing a spare set of clothing because we never know how long it might take for our luggage to catch up with us. I have my cube here that holds all of my odds and ends, so it keeps them in one place and I'm not diving all around inside my bag for them.
Elva, I cannot believe you fit all of this into this. It's like Mary Poppins' carpet bag.
Well, yes, Kim, and it keeps all these little odds and ends together in one spot, so it's very easy to get them out when you need them. And, you know, diving around the bottom of the bag's terrible. So, Kim, we have our phone and our iPad or Kindle, our battery pack, which is essential for us to take in our carry-on because we can't put it in our checked-in luggage. Then we have our little earplugs, a few toiletries here, brush and comb and mirror, some face wipes, toothbrush, toothpaste, moisturiser. I carry a little cloth with me for wiping my phone and my Kindle, a poncho for unexpected wet weather. I take a spare luggage lock because these often get left behind in our rooms. My block-out mask, a water bag or a fluid bag that I can put orange juice or liquid, spare plugs for our iPad and phone. You need 2 of these and some international connectors. And I have a little piece of coloured ribbon, Kim, that I can tie to my luggage and I can identify it wherever it is.
Elva, you are a wealth of travel information. For more tips on travelling, head to the COTA Travel website.